welcome back to my channel and a pleasant day to all. Today, we are here in our dining room and we will make a tour. It's not big, it's so simple, but I did and try all my best to make this warm and homely. But before that, I will show you first how does it looks like before. So please watch. We got this video from the agent and this is how it looks like when we bought this house. It's dark, looks cold, and everything is there. This house was empty for 3 years or more, and when I saw it, I was challenged, and I love challenge. My first mission was to demolish this old pantry. And I made our bespoke wine cabinet with capacity of 60 bottles. I also changed our floor tiles and I did it by myself. Recently did this wood for our dining table. And last but not the least, our tea or coffee corner. Now we're ready for our short tour. Vamos! decorating your home, it doesn't matter if it's so simple, especially if you have minimal budget. As long as you are comfortable and happy with it, that matters most. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you like my video today, my ideas, and you can get it and enhance to suit to your house or to your home. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Hasta luego!